Alright, what's going on, guys? So I'm filming the outro right now at the end of the video, just because I was just kind of filming throughout the week after I got off work, so I never really filmed like a proper intro. But basically this video is going to be about the X-Bar installation. So Miracle Crossbar by Next. So Next is like an old school JDM brand. You don't really see a lot of these in Z32s. I've seen a lot in like Hondas and 240s and stuff like that, but you don't really see them a lot in 300ZXs. So that's why I went with this instead of like an auto power roll bar. This is just bolt in, but it's a rear strut bar, and it connects to the C pillar. So it does help out a lot with the flex. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I thank you for watching. Peace. Alright, so basically, so I don't know if you guys can see, but right here is where you mount the interior trim piece, and then there's this hole right here that doesn't do anything, so we're going to use that hole, and then we're going to do that on the same for the other side. Going to drill out the hole, and then we'll be able to put our bolt through, put the nut on the other end, we'll be good to go. Work with my schedule. This is so fucking irritating. Just want to kind of update you guys on kind of like future plans on the Z32 build. Like, as far as like the motor goes, it's fully stock. It's NAA. Done basic maintenance on it, like fuel pump, alternator, and I don't even have like 5,000 miles on that. It's at like 180K or so right now. I feel like I got a lot of life left in this motor. Other than that, I'm pretty much done with the looks of the car. I want to do a couple custom, like one-off things that you guys will see in the future, but I definitely just want to get the wheels on, do a full color change, be done with the looks, and start focusing on like the drivetrain, suspension, and all that stuff. About 5 runs to the hardware store, managed to get all the bolts to mount up the X-Bar. I've actually had this X-Bar for like 4 years or so now. I moved about like 5 times since then. So I've actually lost pretty much all the OEM hardware, including a couple of these clevis joints. My buddy Chris, who helped me out with the Lambo door install, he works at a machine shop, so luckily I still had a couple of them laying around, and he made me 2 of them. So the clips you guys just saw, all I did was drill out the holes on each side, and I just put the clevis joint with a bolt and a nut at the end. Same thing with the other side. But yeah, when I first bolted it up, the bolts were pretty long on the top, so when I closed the hatch, it was actually like creating a huge gap right here. Alright, so sorry this video is kind of all over the place. It gets dark out pretty quick because of daylight savings. Daylight savings is about to happen. So yeah, so the following day I got everything bolted up and how I like it. The only thing is I gotta replace these and cut them so it's not looking like this. But yeah, about a couple years ago I went to a junkyard and got pretty much all of the rear interior except for the rear quarter glass trim piece. I got all this plus 2 sunshades for like 20 bucks or so. So I scored on that. Only thing is, I just need to get the rear quarter glass and I'll be good to go for the rear interior. I want this to be full interior with a hidden trunk setup. So as you see right now, I got the 5-gallon tank with a single compressor. Also reroute all the lines. And yeah, because when I first got the airless system, I kind of just pretty much rushed everything. I just wanted everything in and working. And as you can see, like, I even just went crazy on this. And I even painted my TH1 blue rear trim, this stupid ass AutoZone like glittery color. I don't even know why I did that. Next year, definitely gonna be going over the whole car because there's a lot of corners that I cut. Yeah, there's a lot of things I need to fix. And yeah, it'll be a goal for next year is just super clean, simple. I got a set of wheels that I'm getting built right now. So I should be getting those sometime next month. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, because not next week, but the weekend after, we're gonna be going to SEMA. So daily content that whole week, or I wanna at least put out like 3 videos during that week, which is my goal. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit the like button. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the X-Bar. If you guys like it, if you guys hate it, let me know down in the comments. I always love reading them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.